Alright guys, here it is, 2012 Charger V6. Just bought this at the auction. As you notice, the whole front bumper and stuff is missing. All this is straight though. So it's got this headlight, which might be cheaper just to replace them. The bumper and grill and everything is actually in the car, and even though it's dirty, it's actually still good. Even the clips are still good. So I'm hoping, and it is dusty, I'm hoping that it clips on and does fine. It drove, I just got back from the auction, it drove over here fine, shifted good, engine stayed up to temp and everything. I was going to pull this battery out, but instead I just brought my charger to it. Charging the battery instead of taking the battery out because it looks like it's a pain. But overall, this thing is in pretty good shape. It is going to need a set of tires, but the wheels look pretty good. Now, driving it over here, I did get some noise out of the front left, and I think it's brakes. But we're going to jack it up, see if we can't figure out what it is. Well, I figured out the front end. Got it jacked up here. I was checking the bearings, the suspension, brakes, and everything, and then look at this. What it is, see if I can get y'all in there to see. The wheel itself is not tightened down, so I'll go ahead and torque it all the way down, and we'll recheck it. I hope that's all it is. I mean, it's scary that that's what it was, since I just drove it all the way here. You know, it wasn't nothing but like 5-6 miles, but could have been a bad thing. So I'll get that tightened down and see if that takes care of that. Got the headlights in. She's pretty dirty. I'm gonna try to put this bumper on. I think I'm gonna need some more pieces, but I'm gonna go ahead and run it through an automatic car wash and see what it does for all this. I think it's gonna take care of a lot of it. It's pretty gross. So let's drive it down to the car wash and go through. Let's see if we can't get this thing cleaned up. Well, it looks a little better. Hey, don't worry, we are going to do a proper cleaning on this. This was just kind of a quick cleaning to see how it came out. And I tell you, it really did do a whole lot better. Anyway. Well, looks like it's time to clean this thing up today. Still waiting on the little brackets for the bumper. But time to clean this paint up, get all these stickers off, all this stuff. All right. Definitely needs the engine cleaned up. Here's the fender we painted. We'll get these stickers off, get everything cleaned up, get the wheels nice, real nice, shiny. The interior is pretty dusty. We'll get it all cleaned up. And this thing, I'll paint the bumper. Like I said, we're still waiting on the piece for the other side there to bring it all the way up. This thing is gonna be done. Alright, let's start on some of this cleaning. Now, luckily, there's a lot of dust in here, but really not a bunch of trash or big stains or anything. Oh boy, everybody ready to see what's in here? Nah, let's not. Yeah, woo. Let's go. Oh God, what is that? Blech. Okay. Anyway, moving on. Got this little plastic piece. We'll find where that goes and get it put back on. And it's really just dirty. It's not dusty, I'd say. It's not actually dirty. Even this stuff's all dust pretty much. There's the old headlight. Let's see. There's a battery tray. I got the battery charging in there. I got another battery in it for now. The old license plates. We'll find where that goes. Maybe in the door or something. Broken headlight. That's the piece of the door. Looks like somebody replaced. This piece is to the bumper. It's a Deutsch connector of some sort. Well, it might be for the headlight, but I'll save that just in case I need it. So let's get all this trash out of here and start getting it vacuumed and wiped down and see if we can't make this thing look good. Everybody wants some Gen 4 or SynForce 100. According to the Google, it's discount Viagra or fake Viagra. Anyway, alright, let's get back to cleaning. Yeah, you can see the seats need a little bit more cleaning. But here's the fender we painted. Here's the bumper we painted. Engine bay cleaned up. More of the bumper we painted. This aftermarket grill kind of sticks out a little bit, but everything else lines up pretty good. So I'm gonna get the outside of this thing washed. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, share, like, comment. Appreciate you.